Dave with the Shepherd School, and I got a beekeeping book for you. It's called the Beekeepers Handbook, and it's a pretty good book. A lot of good pictures, a lot of good explanations, a lot of how-tos, and it's basically a resource guide, a tip guide for beekeeping, right? How to move a colony, how to put two colonies together using newspaper. Talk about diseases like nosema and varroa mites and foul brood, how to treat, right? Wax moths, which I've had a problem this year, and this book kind of helped me deal with that. Different kind of, anatomy of a honeybee. Talk about bee stings and the physiology of bee sting reactions. Differences between American, European honeybees and Africanized bees, right? Lots of cool little things like pollen traps that you can build, okay? Very well organized, really easy to go to the table of contents, figure out what your problem is, and then go right to it. This is a good reference book, not necessarily something that I would read cover to cover, for entertainment, but, it does have, it was written in a pretty accessible manner, and it's not really painful to read, right? And I use it, like I said, as a reference sheet. Good book to read, to learn about beekeeping. If you think about doing it, this makes it a lot more accessible to the average Joe. So anyway, here you go, the Beekeeper's Handbook, and I would recommend it. Until next time, you want to sketch online, www.tngun.com.